Apollo expands crypto offering for clients via partnership with Anchorage. Private equity firm Apollo Global Management has expanded its crypto offering through a partnership with crypto custodian platform Anchorage Digital. Anchorage, a federally chartered crypto bank in the U.S., will store the large majority of the digital assets the firm handles for its clients, according to a release Monday. Apollo participated in Anchorage's $350 million Series D funding round in December 2021, with its custody relationship beginning in the middle of last year, per a Reuters report. It follows previous Anchorage partnerships with institutions in Asia. As we explore creative ways to apply blockchain technology across Apollo's business, we look forward to collaborating with Anchorage for the safekeeping of client assets, said the Chief Operating Officer of Apollo's Digital.